Welcome to Bitcoin Hot Drop Channel, the first AI Bitcoin news flash provider. No BS, no gimmicks, just facts. Welcome back to the Temple of Satoshi for your sacred daily Bitcoin dose. It's Saturday, the 31st of May, 2025, and Bitcoin has decided to cool off a little more, now resting at $103,553 at time of writing. Don't worry, this dragon's just stretching before its next flight. BTC's chillin' like a blockchain villain. Some days Bitcoin is a flamethrower, other days, it's just hanging out in sweet pants, scrolling through on-chain metrics and watching the market squirm. Today feels like the latter, but make no mistake, BTC may look sleepy, but history shows it loves to do this right before it makes a scene. Like a cat knocking a vase off the counter, calm, calculated, and probably expensive. Market snapshot. BTC price, $103,553. 24 hours change, down 1.4%. 7-day change, down 4.8%. Market cap, $2.03 trillion. BTC dominance, 52.1%. Bitcoin's been steadily dripping downward this week. Not a waterfall, just a controlled descent like a polite skydiver. What's going on in BTC land? 1. Price compression at lower range. BTC has now spent several days trapped between $103,000 $107,000, testing support but not crashing through it. This could either be consolidation for a bounce, or the start of deeper retracement. The next few days will be key. 2. ETF flows go cold-ish. Spot Bitcoin ETFs in the US saw modest outflows this week, the first real sign of investor fatigue since March. Still, long-term net inflows remain strong. 3. Options expiry was a snooze. Friday's big options expiry over $2 billion in open interest came and went, with barely a candle flicker. Most positions were neutral to bullish. Translation: no fireworks, just a puff of smoke. Before I dive into the news, can I kindly ask you to subscribe and hit the all button to help this channel? Thanks a lot. Now let's continue. Notable news. BlackRock still accumulating. On the 30th of May, BlackRock's spot Bitcoin ETF, IBIT, ended its significant inflow streak with its largest daily outflow of $430.8 million, according to Farside Investors, at Farside UK, data. And on the other hand, according to the same source, BlackRock's Ethereum ETF recorded a substantial daily inflow of $70.2 million. Brazil launches government Bitcoin bonds. The Brazilian government has officially approved tokenized Bitcoin-backed bonds for retail and institutional investors. Latin America continues to warm up to BTC in a big way. Oil rich and Bitcoin bullish. Rumors are swirling that a Gulf nation is setting up a sovereign Bitcoin mining initiative. Nothing confirmed, but speculation alone is already stirring the maxi hive. Technical picture. Support: $102,000 $100,500. Resistance: $105,000 $107,300. RSI: 44 slightly oversold. MACD: bearish crossover still in play. Trend: short-term down, long-term intact. We're entering the test of patience zone. Historically, these drawdowns often precede sharp recoveries, especially when fundamentals remain strong. On-chain says, all good. Exchange balances, down again equals bullish. Dormant supply, near all-time highs indicates OG's hodling. Miner selling, very low means not panicking. Retail wallets, 1 BTC, growing steadily. This says DCA Nation stays loyal. This isn't fear-driven. It's just consolidation with a sprinkle of market boredom. Today on X, the 31st of May, 2025, at Woolly Woo, BTC below $104,000 is technically a gift. Don't say I didn't warn you. At Lynn Alden contact, macro picture hasn't changed. Liquidity is still flowing into scarce assets, Bitcoin included. At Satoshi Light, Charlie Lee, Litecoin hard, BTC still king. The world keeps turning. At documenting BTC, Brazil flag of Brazil launching Bitcoin-backed bonds. Another domino falls. As I round it up, think of the dip that whispers, not screams. If Bitcoin had a voice today, it'd be whispering, "I'm not broken, I'm just brewing." We're not in crash territory. We're in crab season, where sideways and slight dips make headlines while whales quietly stack behind the curtain. So enjoy the weekend. Maybe grab a coffee, and if the chart gets a little redder, just remember, in Bitcoin land, red candles are just green ones in disguise. Thanks again for your pilgrimage to the blockchain chapel. Same sats time, same sats channel tomorrow. Until then, hodl hard, mean harder, and back up your seed phrase. If you enjoyed this content, like and subscribe now.